Hi guys, hello everyone watching. Coming your way in this episode, we will discuss fraction operations explained simply. Let's jump into the story. We have these two fractions 4 over 6 and 8 over 4, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 6 times 8, which is equal to 48. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 16 plus 48, which is equal to 64. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 6 times 4, which is equal to 24. And that is all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for exciting content.